So my brother just sliced his fucking hand open, so we're gonna see how it looks. Oh, that's fuck. Oh, God, dude.
Oh, shit. That's the third glove I filled up with blood. We had soaked through all the Band-Aids.
Oh my God, he cut himself open with a fucking bone.
It's not a big cut, dude. It's just a stab. You can't even see it. It's just little.
That's so gross.
Oh, motherfucker. Fuck it. Like, yeah, I put the new skin. See, that's a little tiny motherfucker that caused all that.
That's so gross. Ew, man, that's gross.